Cyberchase for real.
I love bike riding, so I was really excited when I got this bike. It has 7 gears. I use different gears in different places. I use smaller gears to go fast on a flat surface. Then I switch to larger gears when I'm going up a hill and it's harder to pedal. But a week after I got this bike, I couldn't ride it because the bike chain came off. I couldn't figure out how to fix it. That's why I came here for help. A repair cafe. I came here before for help fixing my watch. After it stopped working, I thought I'd have to throw it out. But a repair coach helped me replace the battery and it was good as new. So then I could help my cousin Kimmy fix her watch. This repair cafe happens a few times a year. The volunteer repair coaches here don't just fix your stuff for you, they fix it with you. People fix all kinds of broken things so they don't end up in the trash.
That goes to Beth over
Okay.
there.
Hi, Lisa.
Oh,
Hi, Booker. I'm glad to see your watch is working.
I'm hoping you can help me with something else.
What's going on?
My bike chain slipped off.
Oh, this is my favorite thing to fix. Let's head on in and we'll take a look. Let's turn the bike over so it's easier to work on. Thanks, Booker.
How does the chain move from gear to gear?
Great question. The shifter moves the chain to the gear you want to use. The shifter also keeps the chain at the right length, no matter the size of the gear you're using.
I see.
So, if we push here, it makes the chain looser. Move the chain so it goes over here.
Here?
Yes, you want to get about 10 teeth on the chain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now we'll slowly release the shifter, then spin the pedals this way. Fantastic!
That's
We
awesome.
did it!
Thank you so much.
Of course, that's great work. Now, if this ever happens again, do you think you'd be able to fix it by yourself?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Awesome.
Now that I know how to fix my bike chain and my watch, I want to be a repair coach. That way, I can help other kids fix things so they last longer.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.